Let's make some lunch for my kids. Today I'm making deviled eggs with all of the hard-boiled eggs we have left over from Easter. You just want to slice the eggs in half and then add the egg yolks to a bowl. Sorry, my camera stopped recording, but I added mayo, mustard, salt, and pepper and added that to a blender and made it all smooth and added it into a plastic bag to pipe them into the whites of the eggs. Sprinkled the eggs with paprika and dill and added a thinly sliced pickle for crunch. You can also add bacon crumbles on top. It's so yummy with bacon. I'm making flowers with cantaloupe and watermelon and using a straw to poke a hole through them and adding blueberries. I'm going to use mint as the flower's leaves. I got some new food accessories. I'm gonna use an egg pick with a little cute face on it. Perfect for these deviled eggs. Further note, it says, "Don't be a lady, be a legend" by Stevie Nicks.